sentence?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are on fifth and sixth.
Sir, I've done.
You are on sixth. Okay. Please be a little active. Don't be so passive, huh? We need to do one more exercise. So the students who have written all these sentences, they can do one thing. You don't need to tell the answer, but you can frame out or you can make out what is the collective noun in
Okay,
that sentence. Okay. So when the turn comes, so you'll be prepared.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
Very good. Advika, we are going to start with you. Okay. So you will be the first one.
Okay, sir.
Akshat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So beta, you have to do one thing. Just write down these sentences. Okay, this is an exercise for your collective nouns. Okay, you have to write down these sentences. Then we'll underline where is the collective noun in the sentence. Okay, we're going to underline the
Okay,
collective
sir.
nouns. So please copy it down as soon as possible. Be a little active because you're late. And one thing more, beta, when the link has been sent to you, try to come in the classes. Don't miss the classes, like don't come so late. Okay, come on time. Okay, beta. Who is still writing except Akshad?
Sir, I have also done. My,
Okay.
my the Sir, I am also on the last question.
So shall we start now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Should we? Without wasting our time, should we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first one is the farmer had a team of oxen to plow the field. Okay. Advika, please read the sentence.
The farmer had a team of oxen to plow the field.
So where is the collective
Sir,
noun?
the collected noun is team.
Only team.
Yes, sir. Team and field.
Team and
Field.
field. No, beta, field is it is actually a place where farmer is doing something.
Yes,
Okay. What is he doing? He is trying to plow the field. Okay. So
sir.
the
Farmer and
collective noun over here is team of oxen. Okay. Or you can write team.
team of oxen.
Okay. Please underline team, or you can write team of oxen also.
Okay, sir.
When it is mentioned, we are talking about which team, so we can underline the whole thing. Okay. Otherwise, only team is the collective noun over here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Thank you. So, the second one. Vaibhavi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please read the second sentence.
One of my cousins is a member of the church choir.
One of my cousins is a member of the church choir. So, who is Vaibhavi? Please tell me the collective noun.
Sir, the collective noun is a choir. Choir.
Which choir?
Sir, church choir.
Correct. It's a church choir. So, church choir is a collective noun. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
The third one. Okay. The third one. Yashita, are you there? Yashita, is my voice audible to you? Manasvi, are you there? Bhavya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you do me a favor? Please read the third one.
The policeman could not control the mob.
The policemen could not control the mob. Okay. So, Bhavya, will you please help me out with this one?
Yes, sir. The collective noun is mob.
Mob. And what do we understand by mob? It's a group of people who are not abiding the law. Okay. So the policemen could not control the mob. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the collective noun over here is mob. Correct, Bhavya. Very good. Veer, are you there? Manasvi? Manasvi, I can see that you are there, but please speak up. Manasvi? Arsham?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arsham, please read the fourth sentence. Arsham, please read the fourth sentence. Is my voice audible to you all? Bhavya, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Why aren't you speaking, Arsham? Are you there?
Yes,
Students,
sir.
please, Arsham, try and understand you're wasting the time. Read the fourth sentence quickly. Be active, beta.
Sir,
Mr. Bedi,
Mr. Bedi owned a
fleet, fleet
fleet of luxury
cars.
cars.
Correct. So, Mr. Bedi owned a fleet of luxury cars. So, where is the collective noun in this sentence?
Sir, sir, luxury cars.
Okay. But yesterday, were you present yesterday?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So that's the problem. Yesterday, I told you all that I've given you one example like while you were going somewhere and you saw a VIP moment, okay? You saw one person who is going and he's very important person. So you might have noticed that there are around 4 to 5 police escorts There are 4 to 5 his own cars. So that group of cars, when they are moving all together, that group of cars, we gave them a specific name, that is fleet. Correct? So over here in this sentence, Mr. Bedi own a fleet of luxury cars. Okay. So Arsham, tell me, what is the collective noun over here? Tell me the collective noun in this sentence. Arsham, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So tell me the collective noun, beta. Vaibhavi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vaibhavi, please tell us the collective noun over here.
So fleet is the collective noun.
Correct. Because we are talking about luxury cars. Okay. And group of luxury cars, even group of ships, they are also known as fleet. Correct? Okay. Arsham, understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Arsham, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Beta, is my voice lagging?
No, sir.
Okay. So do you understand me what I am speaking?
Yes, sir.
Group of cars and group of ships, they are known as fleet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the fifth one.
Sir, can I read?
Yeah, Veer, come on. The fifth one.
The collective noun is clump.
Okay, please read the sentence first.
The baby elephant hide behind the clump of trees.
The baby elephant hid behind a clump of trees. It's not hide, it's hid. Okay, it's a past tense.
Okay.
So the baby elephant hid behind a clump of trees. And over here, what is the collective noun, Veer?
Clump.
Clump. Correct. Thank you so much. Thank you, beta. Okay. Advika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me or read the sixth sentence first.
How was it? Okay.
Beta, please. Rest of you, mute yourself.
Sir, should I start now? Oh,
Advika.
yes, sir. Sir,
So
should I
please tell me. Yeah, beta, tell me the collective now.
The crowd was very noisy. Sir, crowd.
Yes, the collective noun over here is crowd. We are talking about group of people. Okay. So there are two types of group of people. One is who is abiding the law, that is a crowd, and one who is not abiding the law is known as mob. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The seventh one. Who is going to tell me the seventh one?
Bhavya. Sir,
Oh, please, beta, on the screen, I cannot see anyone right now. So please don't say I. Name yourself. That is the best way.
Sir,
Oh,
Sir,
Yashita,
can I-
come on. No, Bhavya, let her take one chance. Okay. Yashita,
a
please
trouble
read
of
this.
dance.
Beta, it's a troupe. TROUPE. A troupe of dancers.
A troupe of dancers from Rajasthan was the main attraction of the festival.
Hmm.
The collective noun is troupe of dancers.
Okay, the collective noun is troupe. Only troupe. Okay, underline troupe. Okay. So I hope all of you have done this exercise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akshat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Akshat, I'm talking to you. Are you there? Has he left the meeting? Akshat, are you there? Okay. So we'll do one thing. Akshat has left, I suppose. Now, is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, is this exercise L is visible to you now?
Sir, it's J exercise.
Okay, just give me one
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Now L is visible. It's on page number 18.
Yes, sir.
Turn to page number 18.
Yes, sir.
Exercise L. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. Take words from those given below. Okay, so you'll find a table below this exercise and there are some words given in that table. You have to pick the words from there and fill the blanks over here. Okay. So question
Okay, sir.
exercise L, question 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to do it as a classwork. The rest, question number 5, 6, 7 is your homework. I don't think so. I'm giving you a lot of homework, but still, you have to send me your homework on the very same day. And please, students who are still left, who have to send me their vacations homework, holiday homework, please, I'm giving you one more day. Please send it to me, okay? Are you listening? If you want to fetch if you want to fetch 5 marks in your PO, okay, they're depending on it. You have to send me your holiday homework. Okay, so let's start with the first question. We presented a dash of flowers of the chief to the chief guest. Sorry. We presented a dash of flowers to the chief guest. So over there in that table, you can find some words. Okay, which word should we take or which word should we put over here? So we have the options like audience, bunch, mob, committee, fleet, suite, bouquet. Who is going to tell me which word we are going to put over here? Yes?
So, yes,
Please,
sir.
first, okay, Yashita. Yashita,
Sir, bunch.
bunch, okay.
Sir, can I read? Sir, can I Bhavya? Sir, can I
Just
Advika?
Advika, okay, Advika, you tell me.
We presented a bucket of flowers to the chef. Yes.
Beta, it's not bucket, it's bouquet, okay? We say bouquet. We presented
Okay.
a bouquet of flowers to the chief guest. And Yashita, we're not going to write bunch over there, okay?
Okay, sir.
We are going to put bunch where it is required, okay? The second one, we booked a dash of rooms in a hotel. So the bouquet option, it has been taken. So we are left with audience, bunch, mob, suite, committee, fleet. We are left with audience, bunch, mob, suite, committee, fleet. Who's going to tell me this one? We booked a dash of rooms in a hotel. Anyone?
Sir, I read.
You can give it a try. At least you can give it a try. Whether it's correct or
Sir,
not,
can I
that's
read?
another thing. Okay, V, please go ahead.
Sir, can I
Yes.
please?
Sweet, correct. Suite, sweet. Okay, the pronunciation is little different, but you have to write it over there. We booked a suite of rooms in a hotel. These are specific. These are specific rooms in hotels. Okay, they are different from ordinary rooms. So the third one, the whole dash of ships were destroyed. The whole dash of ships was destroyed.
Sir, can I, Bhavya?
Okay, Bhavya, just wait a minute. Let me see anyone else. Anyone else except Bhavya?
Sir, can I read?
No, beta, you have taken your chance. Anyone else?
Sorry, Babu.
I don't know what is wrong with Arsham, Manaswi, Yashita. Why aren't you people are speaking, beta? Come on, Manaswi, are you there? I have just told it earlier that we use this word for two things, ships and cars. Okay, so we are left with options like audience, bunch, mob, committee, fleet.
Sir, can I?
Okay, Advika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, will you please tell us? The whole dash of ships was destroyed. So please put the collective noun over there.
The whole committee of lips.
Hmm? Speak again. Beta, please come again. Your voice was not audible to me.
The whole fleet of ships was destroyed.
The whole fleet of ships was destroyed. Okay. Are you saying fleet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fleet is the correct answer. Thank you. Thank you, Advika. Thank you so much. The last one. Vaibhavi,
Yes, sir.
the last one. Will you please read that sentence and tell us the collective noun?
The committee could not come to any decision in the last meeting.
We use the in front of a vowel. Okay. Okay. So over here, we are just going to use the last meeting. Okay. The dash could not come to any decision in the last meeting. The committee could not come to any decision in the last meeting. Correct, beta. Thank you so much. So all of you, please listen to me very carefully. In this exercise, question number 5, 6 and 7 are left, and that is your homework. When you are done with your homework, what you need to do, every day you have to click a picture and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp. Are you listening? Now, let me remind you one thing more. The students who are still left in sending me holiday homework, please, I'm giving you one more day. Send me the holiday homework, okay? Because you will get full-fledged 5 marks from your holiday homework. If you're completing your holiday homework, you're sending it to the teacher, respective teacher. All the subjects I'm talking about all the subjects, okay? So you'll get 5 marks for that. Secondly,
Excuse me, sir.
let me complete, Advika. Secondly, you'll get 5 marks for your subject enrichment. That is, that you are completing your classwork, homework, your interaction in the class. Okay, so that is also very important. Are you listening, Manasvi? The word I've used, interaction. That means you have to interact in the class. Okay, so you'll get 10 marks which are bifurcated in subject enrichment and holiday homework. 5 marks each. Yes, Advika, you were saying something?
Sir, I sent your work and your uploaded to the subject teacher.
Beta, there is. Okay, you have sent the work. Okay. I got your work, Advika. I've got your work. Okay, so rest. Please, all of you, do the homework and send it to me on the very same day. Okay? Don't let me talk to your parents or force you like this. Please, do your work and send it to me. Okay? So we'll meet tomorrow. We'll have a computer class, I suppose. Correct? Tomorrow is Saturday, no?
Yes.
No, tomorrow. Yes?
No, sir. Sir,
Tomorrow is Friday. Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll meet tomorrow, okay? Please complete your work and send it to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for attending the class. It was very good. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. See you.
Bye, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Most welcome, beta. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.